So my company has been supervising a penthouse remodel near El Tesoro. Let's go take a look. This property is about 350 square meters. There's about 4 bedrooms. There's 2 kitchens. This property has a lot of unique features that the owner is incorporating, including a jacuzzi in the bedroom, separate water closet, fire pits, even a bunker. Something that's difficult with some of these older properties when you're remodeling them is you just don't know what you're getting into until you start opening up the walls. It's very important that before you start a construction on a property, you want to have every detail planned out as much as possible. That way you avoid delays. You also avoid overspending. Let me give you an example. So they started installing sanitary gas lines as well as copper water lines, only to later realize that the design wasn't going to be sufficient, and now they've had to go back and change everything, including moving a wall about 30 centimeters. So the first thing you want to do when you're building a property is demolition. Once you've done demolition, the next thing you're going to do is start building your walls. We got this really cool teppanyaki kitchen over here, and then check out this amazing swimming pool with jacuzzi. It's gonna be pretty cool when it's finished.